LearnStation product video. Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about the latest innovation from BYJU'S, a uniquely designed, dedicated learning device called LearnStation. Let's unbox and see how it works. If you order any course between LKG to 3rd, along with the LearnStation and its charger, you will also receive digitally enabled worksheets, a whiz pen to solve these sheets, Disney goodies, and stickers. Up to Class 5, you would also receive Osmo games relevant to your grade. More about that when we get into the demo. First, let's look at how to switch it on. This is the power button and charging port. Hold the power button for up to 5 seconds to start the device. Make sure it is charged for at least 2 to 3 hours before you use it. The device has a unique student-friendly design. It can sit nicely on the study table and has a good grip so it doesn't slip easily. The LearnStation has all the BYJU'S apps in one place. So, this is the home screen which is built for easy navigation. You can click on the widgets on the left to access different apps. To access learning content and games, you can click on DBEL. This is how you can play different videos and games as part of the personalized learning journey. You can also play and watch any content of your choice from the library accessible from the home screen. LearnStation has a unique technology called LearnSense that can visually detect any text or visuals placed in front of it and open content related to it. There are 2 modes to use LearnSense: automatic and manual. In the manual mode, you can activate LearnSense by long pressing the home button. The default device mode, however, is automatic. For LKG to 3, it works with the Worksheets app and Osmo games. Now, let's see how we can switch grades on LearnStation. This is how you can change the profile. LearnStation supports up to 3 profiles. You can change the grade in any of the profiles depending on what is available on your device. You can block or allow access to the Play Store. This helps to create a secure and focused learning environment for students. Let's see how LearnSense works for this grade. LearnStation has automatically detected the right app. In this case, it is the Worksheets app. This app can respond in real time as the child solves the worksheets. Once you're done, long press this button and Jane will instantly provide feedback. She also gives hints to the student if the answers are wrong to help them get it right. That's not all. The LearnStation also comes with some super fun educational games, customized specifically to meet the learning requirements for each grade. Let me show you one of them, called Newton. Do you see these little dots? I have to get them to hit all these circles. And I can do that by drawing directly or using any objects I find easily around me on this paper in front of me. Another great learning game available for grades 1 to 5 is called Tangram. When you load Tangram on the LearnStation, it shows you a bunch of puzzles. For this, you need to rearrange the blocks to match the image on the screen. When the pieces are in the right position, the screen lights up. There are different levels and 500 plus puzzles to choose from, each more challenging than the last. I have now switched to LKG grade to show you the games available for LKG UKG. I'm going to show you how ABC works. Again, this can be loaded using LearnSense or from the left panel with the game widgets. Children can practice putting together alphabets and numbers with these silicone sticks. There are 3 other games you can try for yourself. We hope you understood how to use the all-new BYJU'S LearnStation. Keep learning.